I'm just touching up my foundation because today's a film day and I did a lot of blushes. So, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anna. If you're new here, I do makeup reviews, makeup tutorials, skincare, anything beauty related. I got you covered. Today's video is another AF94 review. If you don't know what that is Halsey's new affordable line. It is available at Walmart. Everything's under $10 and it's also available on her website, AF94beauty.com. So, if you want to get it from the website or Walmart, it's totally up to you, but I got it from the website. Alright, today's video I'm going to be talking about some eyeliners. They are the Backline liquid eyeliner. These are absolutely beautiful. I have swatched them. I have not tried them on my eyes yet, but we're going to do that today. Just a little background of this. It's $8. They are a matte finish. She launched them in a couple of different brands, but colors, not brands. But I wanted to go with kind of like traditional colors, you know, just the kind I would like to see like how are these colors, and I did pick up a navy one that is stunning. So in this video we're going to swatch, we're going to try them on. I'm going to try my best to try 3 different eyeliners on, and then I'm going to give you like my overall thoughts. So if that's something that you're interested in, definitely keep on watching. If you like the video, please consider leaving a like, subscribe if you're not subscribed, come join my little family that's growing. Yeah, so without further ado, let's get started. Alright, eyeliners. I love eyeliner. I love a good little like wing flick, and I find, this is just my own personal opinion, I find that liquid eyeliners are a lot easier to do that little cat eye with than a pencil. So I tend to favor that, or shadows. But we have liquid liners, and I don't know if I mentioned this in the other videos, but with this line, all of the colors, like if you see here, brown, blue, and black, that's the color of the liner. So if you pick one up, you're like, oh, which one am I? Look at the color, and it'll tell you the color. I do appreciate when brands do that, especially when everything kind of looks the same, because then I'm picking it up, opening it, turning it upside down, and seeing what color it is. It's a minor detail that maybe it's not huge to you, but it's kind of a big deal to me, and I do appreciate it. So these are felt tip liquid liners, and they come to a nice little point, so you can get a nice fine line. You can build, you know, the packaging itself and the way it's looking is nothing like revolutionary, but the colors are beautiful and we're gonna try them. So let's cut into swatches. Let me just tell you, I was completely surprised by the swatches. You're gonna hear the excitement in my voice. Alright, these look really fun. These are the A94 Backline. And I have shades Someone New, Shipwreck, and Eyes Wide Shut. And what's really cool about this is, hopefully you guys can see it, black, brown, and blue. The colors are the same color as the liner. Well, what it's supposed to be. Let's swatch these. This is like your traditional kind of like felt tip liner. I'm just going to open this. See? So let's swatch. Oh, that's really pretty. In the light, you see it's a little bit blue. It's definitely like a traditional navy, that black blue. That color works with like every eye color. Next up, we have the black one. Wow. That is really nice. This one's already dried down. And last but not least is the brown liner. How pretty is that? You can definitely see the difference in color, which I love. This is the only one that's dried, so let me see if I rub it, it's really not moving anywhere. The other ones have not dried down completely. It's still a little bit wet. Oh my god, look at that black one. It's drying down and it's matte. Oh, I love a good matte liner. Let's try these out, guys. Okay, see? They're matte, they are colorful, and that blue color has like my name written all over it. I'm gonna come in closer because I want you guys to see. Plus I can't see, but I have a mirror now in front of me. So let me scooch in. Again, I don't know how I'm gonna do 3 colors because, you know, depending on how they set down and everything. But I definitely want to try the blue color, and I want to try the brown one because it's just different. So I'm gonna get in close, and I'm gonna open it, or we're just gonna go for it. The way the liner, like the applicator is nice and kind of like stiff but flexible. Makes lining very easy. Did you guys see that? All right, bear with me because I can't see. Ugh, getting old sucks. Getting older sucks. Let me rephrase that. I need a mirror like in front of me so I can see what I'm doing. So I do apologize. This way you guys can see and I can see. All right, now I'm gonna fill in that line. That is the, ooh, that's the brown line. Can you guys see? Let me turn this so you can see the color. Oh, guys, that is the most beautiful, like, dark brown liner ever. The applicator is like 10 out of 10. The color is, that's really beautiful. Hold on, let me pick up my mirror so I can see. I love that you can actually see that it's a brown liner. All right, let me go with the blue. The blue I'm gonna do on this side. You can shake it a little bit. I'm so excited about this color. Oh my goodness. Okay. Nope, I did that way too thick. I swear I know what I'm doing. It's just when I can't see. Let me fill it in up close. All right, let's get in so you can see this really, really pretty blue. And the brown. These are so pretty. Oh my god, so pretty. And it's not like it's not a blue that's like blue. It's like a deep cobalt / navy blue, but you can see it, and it definitely, because my eyes are brown, blue always makes them pop more. All right, now I'm gonna go with the black, and I'm actually gonna touch up this inner corner. This way you can also see like how it compares to that dark brown color. She has these in other colors too, and I'm telling you right now, this is definitely gonna be a huge hit. Let me get in close. Let's let that dry down a little bit. It's definitely a very, very beautiful black matte color. And where is it? One of my favorite eyeliners, I can't find it. One of my favorite eyeliners is from Honest Beauty, and it's a matte black color. This is definitely like, it's a dupe for it, and I'm calling it a dupe because it's a lot cheaper than the Honest Beauty. So let me get in close so you can see. The inner part of my lines are in the black color. So that's how it compares to the brown. Same thing over here. So pretty. And like I said, you can, these colors are so wearable, especially that blue one. Super wearable. You can tell that it's blue if you're like in front of me, but it's not like a crazy blue or anything like that. But I wouldn't mind a crazy blue either. All right, overall thoughts. These are absolutely amazing. The color pigmentation is there. Like, it's a very saturated eyeliner, but it's so easy to use because of the little tip and the eyeliner, like the felt tip. It's got a nice flexible tip. It's very like, it's going to hold its shape. So if you struggle with like getting that line because it holds its shape, it's going to make it a piece of cake for you. You know, obviously practice makes perfect, but these are so pretty.